is stress so addictive and so hard to stop?
Stress can trick the brain into looking for quick comfort, even when it makes things worse. The urge feels automatic. When your body releases cortisol, your brain tries to escape the tension. That escape feels relieving at first, but relief can turn into habit. This is why some kids reach for screens, snacks, drama, or distractions without realizing it. Stress does not just feel heavy. It can secretly train your brain to crave the same cycle again.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, this is called maladaptive coping. The brain chooses fast relief instead of healthy regulation. Speed wins over wisdom. Stress increases cortisol and pushes the reward system to seek quick dopamine. The brain wants comfort now. In kid-friendly language, your brain tries to run away by grabbing anything. That feels good for a moment. If you repeat this often, your brain wires it in as a default pattern. The habit becomes automatic before you even know it.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, tiny actions reshape the amygdala, the prefrontal cortex, and the dopamine pathway. Small does not mean weak. Stress shrinks your calm circuit and strengthens your panic and escape circuit. The balance shifts quickly, but small daily choices strengthen your thinking brain again. It is about renewing your mind little by little. Your brain rewires the same way, through tiny repeated choices.
How does this show up in real life?
At school, stress addictions look like zoning out, avoiding tasks, or scrolling instead of starting homework. Delay feels safer. Emotionally, it shows up as irritability or constant worry. The nervous system stays alert. In friendships, it can lead to seeking drama, because drama gives a dopamine spike. In families, stress may cause arguments or emotional shutdowns. In habits, kids may reach for food, screens, or shortcuts as automatic escapes.
So, small equals big?
Yes, imagine a tiny seed that grows toward the sun. Light helps it grow. Approval is like sunlight, but too much makes the plant bend instead of grow straight. Balance matters. One small choice, like speaking your real opinion or making a decision yourself, strengthens your identity. Over time, those choices stack into confidence.
So, how do I start?
Here is your simple 3-part reset. Easy to practice. 1 thought. Say, my worth doesn't change with opinions. Let that settle. 1 feeling. Place your hand on your chest and breathe slowly to feel grounded. 1 behavior. Choose 1 small action today without asking anyone for approval. This teaches your brain to trust your inner voice.
What should we do today?
Your tiny challenge today is to do 1 brave task without checking what someone else thinks. Courage starts small. Notice how it feels to decide for yourself. That feeling matters. Comment brave to join the challenge. And if these episodes help you grow stronger, feel free to subscribe and keep learning with us. You are growing into someone strong, steady, and wise. The change is already happening. Each small step you take to trust yourself builds a new pathway of confidence. The brain remembers courage. Keep choosing courage. Keep returning to your identity. And you will feel the freedom of being yourself.
See you in the next episode.